Hello everyone, welcome to AJJ Engineering. Today, let us discuss in detail about maraging steels. Under ferrous alloy, we have covered two topics. This is the third one comes under that. In 1958, Weber showed that low carbon iron nickel martensite containing titanium and aluminum could be precipitation hardened to HRC 65. Maraging that are known for processing superior strength and toughness without losing ductility. The principal alloying element is 15 to 25 weight percentage of nickel. Maraging steels are carbon-free iron nickel alloy with addition of cobalt, molybdenum, titanium and aluminum. The term maraging is derived from the strengthening mechanism, which is transforming the alloy to martensite with the subsequent edge hardening. With yield strength between 1400 and 2400 megapascal, maraging steels belongs to the category of ultra high strength materials. The high strength is combined with excellent toughness properties and weldability. In the table we can see that different types of maraging steels and its yield strength and percentage of alloy content. Typical applications areas includes aerospace, example undercarriage parts and wing fittings, tooling and machinery, example extrusion, press rams and mandrels, tube production, gear ordnance components and fasteners. The properties of maraging steels are density 8.1 gram per centimeter cube, thermal conductivity 25.5, yield tensile strength typically 1400 to 2400, ultimate tensile strength typically 1.6 to 2.5, elongation at break up to 15%, Young's modulus 210, shear modulus 77, bulk modulus 140, hardness 50 HRC grade 250, 54 HRC grade 300, 58 HRC grade 350. Mean coefficient of thermal expansion 11.3 into 10 raised to minus 6. Types of maraging steels: 1. Maraging 250, 2. Maraging 300, 3. Maraging 350, 4. Maraging 362. 1. Maraging 250. This is an 18% nickel steel that has been strengthened with cobalt. Maraging 250, like all maraging steels, goes through an aging process that forces the metal to cool from its molten state to its solid state over an artificially long time. This process results in a tempered steel that has both high levels of strength and hardness. It will also resist certain stresses and maintain its structure in environments that cause irreparable changes to many other steels. The properties that make maraging 250 particularly appealing to many industries is its workability. This allows maraging 250 to be more versatile than many other alloys in its class. However, it is still the alloy's strength and resistance to extreme temperature that make it truly effective material in a wide range of atmospheres. Maraging 2. Maraging 300. Maraging 300 is an iron nickel steel alloy that, as with all maraging steels, exhibits high level of strength and hardness. However, maraging 300 also possesses an extreme resistance to crack propagation. Even in the most extreme environments, maraging 300 is often used in application where high fracture toughness is required or where dimensional changes have to remain at minimal level. The unique properties of maraging 300 have made it an integral part of the aircraft and aerospace industry. It is often used in rocket motor casing and the landing gear for certain planes. Maraging 300 is also effective in the design of power shafts and low temperature cooling systems. 3. Maraging 350. Maraging 350 refers to a crystalline tempered steel martensite that is created through an aging process. When aging is used, steel is forced to cool from its molten state to its solid state over a prolonged period of time. The result is a metal that is harder and stronger than it would be had the steel been allowed to cool at a natural rate. Maraging 350 is an alloy that has become an integral material in the airplane and aerospace industry. Due to its strength and its ability to withstand extreme conditions including frequent and sudden changes in speed and temperature, maraging 350 is used in the production of rocket motor cases, takeoff and landing gears, and certain munitions created by defense companies. Maraging 350 also has uses in less drastic applications such as die casting and high-performing shafting. 4. Maraging 362. Maraging materials are known for their exceptional strength and hardness. Their ability to resist various forms of stress in extreme environments has made maraging steels commonplace in the aerospace and aircraft industries. Each maraging alloy has its own unique qualities, but many of them are used in similar applications. Maraging 362, like other maraging steels, undergoes an artificial. This process leads to the material's added strength and hardness.